How to heal your gut, your digestion with wild garlic, and what's the tastiest recipe. Welcome to Gut Feelings, the channel to support you to heal your digestion so you have all the energy to make this world a better place. My name is Peggy Schirmer from peggyschirmer.com, and I just arrived back from the forest because right now here is wild garlic time. And you have to be quick because it's soon over. It's a very short time, depending on where you are in the world. In Europe and the Northern Hemisphere, it's between April and May, and really just happens once a year. This is one of the most powerful spring herbs, wild spring herbs that you can get ever. And after watching this video, you're gonna know exactly why and how you can use it and integrate it simply into your daily life when it's there. Wild garlic is also called bear's leek or bear's garlic, and this is because it likes to grow in the forest, in woodlands, and especially in the damper areas. And it's called bear's leek because the brown bear and the wild boar, they love to eat that. After they wake up in spring, they even dig out the whole root, the ground, because they love the smell and they love to eat that. I hope after watching this video you're gonna be a wild bear as well and just really go out there and find the wild garlic in your neighborhood if you can. You can basically eat the whole plant. You can also dig out the roots, but the parts most used are the young leaves and then later the flower bulbs or the open flower. The health benefits of wild garlic are very similar to the traditional garlic that everybody of us knows. But as it is the case for every wild herb, they are much more nutrient dense, they are more potent because they grow in the wild, they are not cultivated. Apart from being awesome for your digestion, we're going to come to that, why this is so awesome. It helps lower cholesterol. Also, if you suffer from high blood pressure, it's a great herb for protecting your heart because it lowers blood pressure. And if you like sports and you love to have a good performance, wild garlic is an awesome performance booster because it helps the blood to get more fluid and it fuels your muscles because garlic helps to deliver oxygen and nutrients better and faster to the working muscles that need it the most. And by that, it improves your endurance. Now let's look into why this is so awesome for your digestion, because there are so many benefits of this. It's really interesting for you if you want to heal your digestion with wild garlic. Apart from being antibacterial and anti-fungal, wild garlic helps to balance your natural gut flora. It reduces inflammation big time. It helps with bloating, with cramps, if you suffer from constipation, and all kinds of related chronic issues with your digestion. And here it comes. Even if you or your child or a loved one suffer from a colic, which can be a life-threatening situation, if you're lucky enough and at that time you have wild garlic next to you or you can get it fast, do it. Because that's a miracle medicine to treat a colic effectively and naturally. And you're going to see a very, very quick results with that. Wild garlic is also great for other chronic diseases that have nothing to do with your digestion because it's a superpower antioxidant. It helps to reduce the free radicals, which often play a key role with chronic diseases. Wild garlic has many bioactive phytonutrients, vitamins and minerals, but one of the really key components that help your digestion and especially your liver is a sulfur component. If you ever hear sulfur component, for example, spinach has sulfur, arugula has sulfur. Sulfur component equals liver health. You can, if you have a little post-it, just write down, whenever you hear sulfur component, think about liver health. It helps cleanse the liver, restore the liver, and support all these toxins that are stored up in your liver because your liver is clogged or just overburdened, helps them to flush them out, really gives them a spring detox. If you suffer from indigestion, wild garlic will do you a great favor. Use it daily to help healing indigestion. It's also a great tonic for your digestion. If you have a slow digestion with constipation, wild garlic will do its best for you. So now let's look into how you can include wild garlic in a very simple way. Most people do a pesto or they use it in salads. What I love to do, because I like warm food as well, and warm, especially in spring when the juice is still coming up, so to say, and it's still a bit cold. I love a lunch or a dinner made out of 3 ingredients, and this is potatoes, organic if possible. You can also use sweet potatoes if you like, and cucumber, and of course our special guest for this show, wild garlic. And basically you just boil the potatoes, then you peel them. One tip for sweet potatoes and potatoes: you want to contain the most nutrients even after cooking. So always cook everything with peel and peel that afterwards. Yeah, in the whole takes a bit longer, but it's really worth it. Yeah, because if you cut it or you peel it before, then a lot of the nutrients and the minerals get lost in the cooking water. So potatoes peeled afterwards, cooked and peeled, and then you cut them in little cubes. The same with cucumber, of course that's raw, also in little cubes. And then you have 2 options. If you're really lazy, I'm very lazy, just cut the wild garlic very, very fine and mix it all together. That's it. You can eat it like that. It has an awesome taste. If you need a bit more exciting, you can use half a lemon and just sprinkle that over it. But you can also make a little sauce just using garlic leaves and a blender, adding some water and putting that over the cucumbers and the warm potatoes. That's a really, really great lunch or a dinner. Helps your digestion, is easy digestible. So even if you have problems like Crohn's disease or colitis or indigestion, constipation, high inflammatory diseases, this will be a great and easy digestible lunch or dinner option for you. Okay guys, I wish you so much pleasure with eating all these delicious leaves. I hope you can find some. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments below. I'd love to answer you. And maybe you'd like to become part of our community, then you can click the subscribe button. I'd love to welcome you in our gut feelings community. And if you want to improve your digestion even more, I created a mini tutorial that's for free, and it contains 3 simple steps that you can follow along. And you can sign up. Down below in the description is the link where you can get to my blog and find the digestive boost with the 3 steps. Have a lovely day. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.